Hi, and welcome to Auntie's Kitchen. Today, and for those of you that are returning, welcome back. Love you all. Thank you for your support. Hit that sub button, But today, we're going to be making garlic butter Brussels sprouts. I know you'll either love them or you don't, but we love them here. So we're going to get started, and I'm going to show you the process of making these Brussels sprouts so delicious. So hold on a moment, we'll get started, we'll get cooking. I know I don't have my turban. Wash my hair, gonna blow it out. Yes, I have, it's lots of hair, but you'll see if I decide to blow it out, just have it braided back up. But anyway, forget all that. Let's get back to cooking. First, you want to start off with nice, clean hands. You gotta get these hands clean. Okay, I have 3/4 stick of butter. Okay, I need this for you guys to see what I'm doing, because my little camera is off. Wakey. That's better. Going to start off with 3/4 cup of butter. You know, this is a stick. It has the markings. 3/4 cup of butter. I'm going to get that over here. Just let it start melting. And for this Brussels sprouts, this was a little bag of Brussels sprouts. This is about 4 cups. I say this is about, yeah. So this is about a couple of, about three or 4 cups. But what you do with these Brussels sprouts, how you prepare them, I'm going to show you. This little end piece right here, you got to cut that off. You're going to cut that off. And you're going to take these leaves off. You don't need these. Peel any loose leaves off. If they're loose, take them off, because you don't want those. And you're going to wash really good. Throw that in there. Okay, we'll be back once this butter melts. Hands wet. Can't turn the camera off. We'll pause it. Okay, while my butter is melting, guys, I did measure it out of my little big glass Pyrex. This is 3 cups of Brussels sprouts. I'm going to go ahead and get my drizzle this in some olive oil. I guess you're saying this is more than a drizzle. I guess it is. With some salt. This is a very quick side dish. I already got my, I'm not using my oven on the stove. I'm using my conventional countertop oven. I'm using peppercorns in this dish, because I want a hearty black pepper flavor. Now you can add some cayenne pepper and pepper flakes to this if you want to. And I'm going to take a spoon and toss these around, so that olive oil will get in here, and that salt. And it's okay, you see leaves popping off. That is quite all right. What's most important, that you get this olive oil and black pepper and salt all over them, because that's going to help give you that toasty char. Okay, that butter is looking good. See, my butter was frozen, because I don't keep it. I bought butter in bulk, so it's always in my freezer. Ooh, I almost made a huge boo-boo. Okay, now I got that all situated. Butter is melted. This eye is not on. You're going to take a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now you can use the fresh garlic if you want. I'm not using that because my recipe doesn't call for the fresh garlic powder. Don't worry, this is silicone. It's not going to melt it. I'm going to whisk this really well. Now you may see this butter turn cold and stick to the Brussels sprouts. That is quite all right. And what you're going to do is put this on here, and you're going to lay them down flat. It's okay if you got some leaves off. I want to, you know, this foil, they say is non-stick. I still don't trust it. I'm gonna lay them down flat. Okay, and I'll be back once I get all these laid down. Okay, these are all ready. They will go into the oven. Yes, I had a little extra that goodness, that little butter, so I just threw that on there. You know, I don't like to waste goodness. So I'm going to throw these into the oven for about 30 minutes. And I already got it set. It's set at 350, but I may have to turn this down to about 20 minutes because there's a convection and it cooks faster than a regular oven. So be back and see you guys when these are done. And until then, just sit tight. Guys, the Brussels sprouts are all ready. Look at that. That goodness. They're tender. They're very fork tender. And that's what you want, because Brussels sprouts is nothing but baby cabbages. And if you like cabbage, to me, I don't see why you wouldn't like Brussels sprouts. That's a little one. Fork tender. Look at that fork tender. That one's a little too tender. The little baby ones. But see, these are bought in the bag. If I would have went to the farmer's market, I get to pick my own. And I would have just picked larger ones. But I didn't feel like driving all the way over there. And so I went to this grocery store. And these were in a bag. So I didn't get to choose what I wanted. But farmer's market, I would have just picked these big ones like this. You know. Fork tender. Look at that char on the bottom. Char on top. That garlic butter is in there. On there is it's a commercial they say it's in there. Well, in this case, it's on there. So this is a super easy recipe. This is a great side when you want to get that green vegetable. You want some zest. You can sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on here. Not that powdered stuff. That's not cheese. That's chemicals or whatever. I mean, grated Parmesan cheese, you know, sprinkle some of that on there, you know, give it a little pizzazz. So, this is all done and completed. I'm a little cold. So, thank you guys for stopping by and joining Auntie No's Kitchen. And you enjoy your day. Be you. Be great doing you. Hit that sub button. Thank you for stopping in for all. And I really do appreciate all of the support, you guys. Look at, I got a bad clip on my shirt. I was on the not the laptop. What that thing down there called? The computer. And my insulin pump. For some reason it makes that speaker thing just buzz, and so does my sensor in my arm. So, anyway, back to my business. But thank you again. To the next video. My hugs and kisses to all of you out there, and love you guys. See you later. Bye.